Okay, so we're going to be unboxing the Blue-9 balance harness. It's a no-pull harness, and that's a specialty. We ordered it directly from the company. It's available in multiple colors. It's also available from Amazon. Came pretty quickly, without a problem. So let's get to it. I wasn't really interested in the no-pull aspect of it. What attracted me to it was it's the summer, and Flora's been using the Igloo, which is nice, but I'll show you her reaction every time. Okay, so here we have, they wrapped it really nicely. She's super interested. This is for her. We got this color. This is Florida's a black dog, beautiful black dog, and pet products, some other stuff that they have, and then my receipt. So let's take a look. Let's get it open. They give you some fitting tips. It's got a lot of adjustments. This is the small. She's super interested in it, which is interesting. Two of the things that attracted me to it were the harness at the top and also the second harness. This might be the top and this might be the front. A front harness, one of these is going to be the front, one's going to be the top, and the other harness. It's comfort, safety, and some freedom to move also. And for the summer, this just seemed, because we're having record heat in the Northeast, this seemed really, really hot. So let's see, Flora, I'll show you what her reaction. So when I go to place the harness on her normally, this is the reaction. Well, lots of dogs have this reaction. She's going for it now, but she doesn't really like it, you know, putting this on her. Sometimes she runs from it. So I wanted something that was a lot easier, and this became the option. And let's figure out, oh, that treat is helping her stay with us. So we got to figure out which is the front and which is the back. Okay, unlockable buckles, which is good. Adjust the neck strap. It's got like 5 adjustments. Adjust collar strap. So, okay, this, the furthest back one, that's the back. So this has got to be the front. When you look over here, this one's got to be the front over here, and this one will be the back. And if you look at the openings, because we measured her, they've got some good measurement tools on their website also. So let's see if this is easier for Flora with the opening just going there than sliding it over her head, which she doesn't like a lot. Very good. So she's good. And this is the first time I'm ever doing this. So it's just, that's my confusion, not hers. This is the back. Okay, so it's just getting her leg to step through. So her leg stepped through, one leg through, and then coming under, and you've got the back, and then you have the front. So we hope that she likes it. Much easier, and you'll see this is all there was to putting it on, getting her leg through, and then this. And that's much easier than what we went through, which is a good harness with the Igloo, and you see her reaction to that. She doesn't. But if I have this one totally off, which is easy to take totally off, just 2 snaps, once I realize where the front and back is, and keep in mind this is the first time I was putting it on. Little girl over here, and you can see it's just getting one leg through. Please, thank you. And then the snap, and then everything's on. And I'll be adjusting it really soon. Can you say hi for the camera? Hello. Okay, thanks for watching, and hope this helps, and like and subscribe if it works for you. So I had to adjust it in 3 places here. This is a small. I adjusted it all the way down to here, as far as it could go, and then I adjusted this one all the way down to and I adjusted the third adjustment. And can you, oh, obrigado, thank you. And we normally use this one because Florida doesn't really have a pulling problem. So we normally use this one. It doesn't look like it's tight on her neck or anything like that. It's a little bit loose, but it's firm enough that I think she will be fine. Can you walk a little bit for your audience? Thank you. Very nice. Thank you. So, as you can see, I'll try to get a little closer. She likes it a lot. It's comfortable, gives her a lot of freedom of movement. I made it a little loose at the back because I thought it was going to be too tight. There are a lot of adjustment points. Santa, see? So it's got like 6 adjustment points. When I took it off, I tried to adjust it so it's even. There are just a lot of adjustment points that I didn't pick up on earlier in the video, and there's one down here too. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's probably a 6 somewhere, 6 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like 6. But I tried to get it even within her back. She's got a lot of movement freedom here. She seems to be really super comfortable in it with it. And so far it's worked out really, really well. Hopefully this video helps you. And if it did, we'd love if you'd like and subscribe. Peace. Have a great day. Although Flora's not a big puller, I want to give you a taste of the harness hooked up at the front. Now this is a small. I also gave her I tightened it down as much as I could in the front, so it still leaves it pretty loose, but that's the case with almost all of them. And even though I usually keep it looped on her back, but I'm just trying it for the video to show you the front. And she's not a big puller, but it does take her, she's distracted by another dog, but it does take her in those directions. Good deal. So she's really interested right now in a squirrel that's nearby, and there's also another dog as a distraction, but the front lead is pretty good. I don't usually use the front, but it's really pretty fast in getting her to give me her attention, which is really nice. Wow, much better than the back. So with this leash, I feel I'm being less aggressive when I have her on the front, but I feel I might start to use that a little bit more than I normally would.